Guys and girls, how's it going? So just a real quick video. I know I say that all the time, but this one is quick. So we're working on the fence out there. I put in, this is that cable release for the latch, so that you can release from the outside of the gate without having any other hardware poking through. Awesome idea. This is stainless steel. It came with the kit. The kit was bought at the big orange store, and I used it about 3 or 4 times, and this end actually came loose. As you can see, hopefully you can see there's no actual, like there really should be some kind of, I don't even know what you want to call it, but some kind of tip on here that's wider than the actual cable so that this thing can't slide off. So this thing actually slid off on me. So quick fix. All you're going to do is take a pair of wire strippers. This one here has all the different crimping. See, that's for your red, your blue, and your yellow butt end connectors, and then this is for your actual terminal ends, for crimping terminal ends. So I use the very smallest one, put it on here, crimped her down, and I hope you can see that, but there's 2 little indentations now, and this thing is not coming off, not anytime soon. The one advantage of redoing this is that it allowed me to straighten everything up the way that I liked it, so that the wire was like this and the end was perpendicular to it. So if you guys and girls are having issues out there with this, hopefully this helps you out. If you liked it, thumbs up. You didn't, thumbs down. Tell me in the comments. Think about hitting subscribe, adding stuff all the time. Till the next video, take it easy.